In today's digital age, the potential for making money online has never been greater. With a modest investment of $1,000, you can kickstart your entrepreneurial journey and tap into various online business opportunities. In this article, we will explore 6 lucrative online businesses that have the potential to generate substantial income. These ideas leverage the power of the internet and require minimal upfront investment, making them accessible to aspiring entrepreneurs in 2023. E-commerce store. Setting up an e-commerce store has become increasingly popular, offering a vast potential for profit. The earning potential of an e-commerce store varies depending on the products and marketing strategies employed. Successful online stores can generate anywhere from a few $1,000s to several $1 million in revenue per year. With effective marketing, strategic product selection, and continuous optimization, you can build a profitable e-commerce business and potentially earn a 6-figure income or more annually. Freelance services. Freelancing allows you to leverage your skills and expertise to earn a substantial income online. The earning potential as a freelancer varies based on factors such as the demand for your skill set, your experience level, and your ability to attract and retain clients. Many freelancers can earn anywhere from $30,000 to $100,000 or more per year, depending on their niche and the quality of their work. As you build a strong reputation and expand your client base, you can increase your rates and potentially earn a 6-figure income or more annually. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based business model that offers significant earning potential. The amount you can earn through affiliate marketing depends on the products or services you promote, the commission rates, and the size and engagement of your audience. Successful affiliate marketers can earn anywhere from a few $100s to several $1,000s or more per month. With a well-established audience and strategic promotion, it's possible to earn a 6-figure income annually or even higher. Online coaching or consulting. The earning potential in online coaching or consulting is highly variable, depending on your expertise, the demand for your services, and your ability to attract and retain clients. Successful online coaches and consultants can earn anywhere from $50 to $500 or more per hour, depending on their industry and level of specialization. With a full client roster and efficient marketing strategies, it's possible to earn a 6-figure income annually or more. Content creation. Content creators can generate income through various monetization methods such as ad revenue, brand partnerships, sponsored content, and merchandise sales. The earning potential as a content creator can vary widely depending on your niche, platform, audience size, and engagement. Successful content creators can earn anywhere from a few $100s to several $1,000s or more per month. As your audience grows and you establish partnerships with brands, your earning potential can increase significantly, potentially reaching a 6-figure income or higher annually. Digital product creation. The earning potential in digital product creation depends on factors such as the demand for your products, the pricing strategy, and your marketing efforts. Successful digital product creators can earn a significant income by selling their products. For example, online course creators can earn anywhere from a few $1,000s to hundreds of thousands of dollars or more per launch, depending on the quality of the course and the size of their audience. With a diverse range of digital products and effective marketing, you can potentially earn a 6-figure income or more annually. So, there you have it. In 2023, the digital landscape continues to offer immense opportunities for entrepreneurs looking to make money online. With an investment of $1,000, you can explore various business ideas such as e-commerce, freelancing, affiliate marketing, coaching, content creation, and digital product creation. The earning potential in these ventures can vary widely, with some individuals earning a modest side income and others building highly lucrative businesses generating 6-figure or even 7-figure incomes annually. Success in these ventures will require dedication, strategic planning, continuous learning, and adapting to market trends. As you embark on your online business journey, remember to stay focused, provide value to your customers, and consistently refine your strategies to maximize your earning potential.